Good morning, everyone. What's happening? Snowstorm out there right now here at my house in Brattleboro, Vermont. Expecting anywhere from a foot or two out of this. Started snowing last night, late in the evening. We've gotten at least a foot so far. Roads are still covered with snow. Buses are running late as expected. I guess up in Rutland, they canceled a few bus runs for the early morning. We're out to Fairhaven, or out to Ludlow, and are out to Middlebury, I believe. And there you have it, December 17th, 2020, snowstorm.